What's up guys, my name is WayForward. Welcome to my first tutorial on Visual Basic, and in this tutorial I will be showing you how to download the Visual Basic into your system. So for this tutorial I'll be making use of Visual Basic 2010 because I just want to keep it simple. I don't need something heavy. So to download the Visual Basic, just go to Google and search for Visual Basic Express download for 2010. You can decide to download the latest version. I think we have up to 2017 as at now, but I just wish to use the 2010. So when you search that, on the first link here, just click on download. So it's gonna show you this page. That's the Visual Basic 2010 Express download. Then you click on the download and then it's gonna download. You can see I have it here. It is just 31 megabytes. I had to pause it because I have the file on my system already, so I won't like to do this over again. So it is just simple like that. And the next thing is to come to the file. Where is my, I downloaded it in my desktop. Okay, let me check. So I have it here. So this is what I downloaded. Then just double click and then install it. So it's gonna extract some data, and then this is gonna load for a while. I would have to terminate it because I have it installed on my PC. I wouldn't want it to override what I downloaded. So make sure the loading is complete. Let's just wait a while. So now it is complete, and then it's going to show a window. Let's just hold on a bit and make sure while you are processing this you should have your data, your network on, because you need to download some file in the internet. So you can see I have this on my PC. Let me just click on next to see. Okay, I've already downloaded it on my PC. Normally you should have two check boxes here. Just check the first one and then you download. It seems it is 120 megabytes. So I don't need to do this. I have it on my PC already. So I just need to cancel this. So this is the environment. You can see the environment. This is the environment for the Visual Basic 2010. So let me just close it to show you the first process. So to create a new document, normally I have okay, let me just exit this and let me open it afresh. So this is how it loads this Visual Basic environment. We come to file, then new project. You click on console project. You give it a project name. You give it a project name. Let's name this YouTube. And then OK. So you can see our window is up. We have successfully downloaded Visual Basic and then we have opened it on our PC. So that's all about today's tutorial, and in the next tutorial we'll start our programming afresh. Thank you for watching, and always remember to subscribe on my channel. It's the WayForward Academy.